Hi everyone, I'm Eric with The Starborn. Welcome to my channel. If you're searching for trending topics, business ideas, this is for you. Hey, what's up? Eric here with The Starborn. And now it's time to figure out what Jiggle Mode is on the iPhone and how it works on iOS 14. So in this video, I'll show you how to get your iPhone iOS 14 into Jiggle Mode. So what is Jiggle Mode and how to access it?
Good morning and welcome to
Jiggle Mode? Jiggle Mode
is an incredibly important event to Apple, our developers, and our users. It's here that we bring some of our biggest innovations to life. And we have not stopped innovating, doing the work that will enrich people's lives for years to come, because we're all looking forward to a more hopeful tomorrow. That's why we believe it's so important to have
Jiggle Mode
this year.
So we created an easy way to hide app pages.
I just go into Jiggle Mode,
Tap the dots at the bottom and check this out. I get a zoomed out view of all my app pages.
I can simply tap to hide the pages I no longer need.
We call it
Jiggle Mode.
To put it simply, you'll need this Jiggle Mode function if you're wondering how to customize your iPhone home screen on iOS 14. And I'll also make a full tutorial video of that. So if you're wondering how to customize iOS 14 home screen, you can check that out in the info card or find the video on my channel later. Well, instead of explaining what it is, it's actually quite easy to get into it.
I just go into Jiggle Mode, down deep below the surface.
All you have to do is tap and long press on any blank area on your iPhone home screen until all the apps start wiggling, which is Jiggle Mode. Alternatively, you can tap and long press any app icon and then choose the Edit Home Screen option to customize the iPhone home screen. Once you are in Jiggle Mode, you are able to edit your home screen. By choosing and clicking on one of these apps, you can delete an app, or you can move the app into your app library, or you could just cancel. So with that, for example, I just choose to cancel. To quit Jiggle Mode, just tap on any blank area on your iPhone home screen and it would get right out. And if you want to hide any pages on your iPhone, like I've got a couple of pages. With that, for example, I want to hide all these pages. So I just get it into this Jiggle Mode again and tap on this dot in the bottom middle. And you will get to this page where you can select the pages to hide. Let's say I want to hide all these pages right here. So I just uncheck all these pages, and as you can tell, they got shaded here now. And the only page that's going to stay here. And if you're satisfied with that, just tap on any blank area on your screen. And then when you go back, just tap on any blank area on your screen again, and it's done. After that, when you flip it over here, as you can tell, it doesn't show up anymore, and now you don't have to have unnecessary apps like you always have here. So basically, it lets you hide apps. But the best part of that is save those hidden pages so you can bring them back whenever you want. To bring those pages back, just select and recheck those pages again, and that's how you can get in and out of Jiggle Mode and what you use Jiggle Mode for. Alright, now you know how to access it and use Jiggle Mode on your iOS 14, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. And hey, if this is your first time here, I'm Eric with The Starborn. Welcome to my channel. If you are searching for trending topics, business ideas, and wondering how to grow your influence online, this is for you. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can follow later and stay up to date without missing everything that I'm going to share with you in the future. I'm Eric. See you in the next video.